Hi guys, welcome back to another interesting video. If you're just stopping by for the first time, please make sure to subscribe and also put on the bell notification so that whenever time I upload new videos in this channel, you'll be the first person to be notified that Guy Tech Daily has uploaded a new video, okay? So before I start this video, I want to put a disclaimer. This video you're about to watch is for educational purpose and not a financial advice. And I encourage you to make your own researches before implementing whatever thing we teach in this platform. So let's get started in this video. So today's video, we want to talk about triangular arbitrage and how many types of triangular arbitrage we have. So we have two types of triangular arbitrage. One is a single exchange triangular arbitrage and the second one is cross exchange triangular arbitrage. So how does a single triangular arbitrage work? Single triangular arbitrage is a triangular arbitrage which you perform in one particular exchange, while cross triangular arbitrage is an arbitrage you perform within two exchanges. For example, I can see this is KuCoin. Now, if I am to perform a triangular arbitrage, for example, I can just say, okay, I have USDT already here. Okay, so I can use my USDT, for example, 100 USDT is going to give me 96 point something SRP. Then with this 96 SRP, so what you have to do is to swap it to SRP. Then you go ahead again and change your pairs again. SRP, okay. So you look for another pairs of SRP. SRP can be SRP for Ethereum or SRP to another kind of stuff like that, okay. So now with your USDT, what you have to do is just to swap the SRP, like you have 96. Let's say you have 96 SRP. This is example we are giving. Have 96 SRP, and this is the amount you are going to be getting. So when you have this in your BTC, sorry, so you are going to have this 0.0015312 BTC. So when you swap this to USDT back, like you type swap the BTC back to USDT, it has become a triangular arbitrage, which is a single exchange triangular arbitrage, which you perform in one single platform without no transfer fee, deposit fee, or the transfer time. Everything happens in one particular exchange. Now, cross triangular arbitrage is that triangular arbitrage which you first of all you buy. Maybe you have USDT, or let's say you have SRP, and the opportunity happens with SRP and BTC and the USDT. So what you have to do is, if you are for example, the opportunity is on KuCoin and the OKS, and you have to first of all buy the first legs on KuCoin, then the second leg on the OKS. So what you have to do is just to do the same, like using your spot trade. So the first thing is to swap the SRP to BTC, just like as we did. So you said 96, let's say you have this, for example, 96, and you have this. So you are going to be sending this amount to your OKS. So when you get to OKS, you now swap it back to USDT or Ethereum before USDT. So that is a cross exchange triangular arbitrage. Now, I will tell you the best one among two of them, okay? So the best one among two of them is a single triangular arbitrage, and a single triangular arbitrage is very rare to see out there. For a genuine profitable single exchange triangular arbitrage is very rare, and sometimes the price disappears quickly. So that is a single exchange triangular arbitrage. Why the cross exchange triangular arbitrage? What destroys the profit sometimes is because of the time depositing and the rest of them. So, but that cross exchange triangular arbitrage is very, very available, always available. Okay, so that is the difference between the single exchange triangular arbitrage and the cross exchange triangular arbitrage. So when you talk about triangular arbitrage, you should differentiate it, okay, so that you know you are dealing with single exchange triangular arbitrage. So this is what I want to let you know, guys, so you will know that we have two types of triangular arbitrage. And if this video have helped you, please subscribe and also share this video. Drop your comment if you have any question for me, and I'll be here to answer you. I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.